Bismillahir-Rahman-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Quran quiz. Question number 1. What is Surah Ar-Rum about? A. Rooms. B. The Romans. C. Alcohol. Or D. Horses. Surah Ar-Rum is about the Romans. Question number 2. Who is the only woman mentioned by name in the Quran? A. Aisha. B. Fatima. C. Maryam. Or D. Asma. The only woman mentioned by name in the Quran is Maryam. Question number 3. Where did the first revelation of the Quran descended? A. Egypt. B. Kaaba. C. Cave of Hira. Or D. Prophet Muhammad's house. The first revelation of the Quran descended in the cave of Hira. Question number 4. Which surah was the first to be revealed? A. Al-Fatiha. B. Al-Falaq. C. Al-Baqarah. Or D. Al-Alaq. Surah Al-Alaq was the first to be revealed. Question number 5. How many sajdas are in the Quran? A. 12. B. 13. C. 14. Or D. 17. There are 14 sajdas in the Quran. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.